Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A54 and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list. You can do it by using the dialer. Then find, of course, the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. So in my case, it will be Laura, and simply tap on this info icon. Now we have to tap on edit. And as you can see, right here we've got the camera icon, so let's tap. And here we've got 4 different options and basically from which we can choose. So we can pick something from the stickers, the AR emoji and the camera. And after picking this option, your device will simply open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her. Or you can simply pick the photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option, so let me tap on it. Of course, you will be transferred to your own files and tap on the one you'd like to use. And as you can see from this tab, we can change the position of this highlighted circle. We can change also the size of it. And thanks to this, we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this area is responsible for it. So after setting it just like you want to, tap on done to confirm. And as you can see, the photo has been applied, and in order to be sure that it will appear on the contact, tap on save. And as you can see, here we've got our contact. The photo will be visible on the contact list, for example, right here, or during all incoming calls from that number. So basically that's all. This is how to add the photo to a contact in your Samsung Galaxy A54. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.